Alright guys, today I'm doing a different recipe. So this is gonna be, look at this, an eggless tuna, not tuna, salmon salad tortilla, or wrap. So I got these corn tortillas, which is gluten-free. So then if you guys want to read the ingredients, you guys could read the ingredients. Let's see here, it's kind of hard to read it, but it is stone ground corn, trace of lime, and some cellulose of gum, and that's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna make some wraps. This is a vegan mayo. You guys probably saw, if you want to watch my review of it, it's actually pretty good. Definitely check it out. But these are the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And we're gonna use canned salmon. I got some spinach here that I'm gonna put in the wrap. I got a scallion there, and then this is what I'm gonna use to mix up everything together. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get this all set up in 1 second. Alright guys, so here it is. I have the salmon all put in there. There's the mayo, there's my scallions, so I'm gonna break it up and mix it all together. Hopefully I put enough in there. I'm going to add a little bit of mustard to it as well. That will bring up some flavor. So, alright guys, so I'm going to keep prepping this and I'll be right back. Alright, it is all done now. And we're going to use the wraps here. Now we're going to use these wraps. Okay, let's do this. Here they are. We'll put them over there. And got some spinach here. And these are on sale. So there. Give it a bit of crunch. Then put this in here. Now the vegan mayo has almost like a gummier feeling, but it actually is pretty taste-wise. You'll probably not notice anything. So. And it smells like a regular salmon salad sort of thing. So, alright, here it is. All done, and let's do a quick taste test. See if it actually is any good. It's pretty tasty. It actually tastes really good, like a regular salmon salad sandwich. The only problem is the wraps here are pretty brittle, so just be careful with that. Other than that, it's pretty good, guys. Definitely, you could probably make it like a quesadilla type. That would be better. And if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.